First off, what problem is Jasmy trying to solve? Jasmy is designed specifically for the Internet of Things, or IoT. The IoT as a system includes computers, cars, phones, and even implantable biochip transponders. It comprises both mechanical and digital items which feature unique identifiers and are capable of transmitting data elsewhere. Organizations use the data they obtain from the IoT to improve efficiency and boost their bottom line. While the IoT promises to enhance customer experience, it comes at a potentially heavy price and chances for privacy infringement. The massive amounts of data involved create significant security risks, with the possibility of information leakage and compliance violations. Jasmy provides a safe, user-oriented environment in which data can be stored, saved or exchanged, all based on the data owner's preferences. Since we now understand the problem they are solving, let's Jasmy Blockchain itself. Jasmy's blockchain platform is designed to recover and protect individual data sovereignty. It blends conventional IoT technology with blockchain technology, granting people the capacity to retain a secure control over their own data. Within centralized systems, data is collected, analyzed and monetized. Jasmy works differently. Its blockchain is decentralized and designed to protect users' data, giving them complete control over when and how it's used. Users can store their data in a secure personal data locker maintained through Jasmy's distributed storage. The network uses the Interplanetary File System, or IPFS, which combines a Security Knowledge Communicator (SKC) with Smart Defender technology. Let's look into how Jasmy works. The Jasmy platform creates and maintains the infrastructure necessary for data owners to store, access, exchange, and otherwise use their own data securely and safely. It accomplishes this through the power of its IoT platform's latest blockchain technology. Base modules have the ability to communicate securely and efficiently with IoT devices. Jasmy's decentralized blockchain technology creates an efficient and democratic process as data is gleaned from IoT devices, stored in data cabinets and protected with secure systems. Jasmy sorts data according to its quality and quantity, with a scale ranging from small data, referring to individual data contained on devices, to platinum or valuable data. Let's look into Jasmy Coin. Jasmy as an organization develops decentralized IoT platforms using a decentralized storage network. Hosted on the Ethereum network, its native token is Jasmy Coin serves as a utility token powering the Jasmy network. The primary purpose of the Jasmy token is as payment for personal data from IoT devices. Currently, it's the only valid currency on the Jasmy network. As more organizations turn to Jasmy, the demand for Jasmy tokens will increase. Kindly note that this is not a financial advice, but for educational purposes only. However, the technology and innovation underlying Jasmy combine to make it an exciting and versatile project. While the cryptocurrency market can be volatile, Jasmy Coin has several features that help it stand out from the rest, including the continued growth of the IoT and the versatile and secure products Jasmy offers to manage private data.
Arweave was originally named Archain in 2017, but it rebranded in 2018 when the Arweave team was accepted to participate in the startup accelerator Techstars. At its core, Arweave is a decentralized storage network or DSN that connects people who have extra available computer disk space with those who need more computer storage. Designed to provide scalable, cost-effective, and permanent data storage. Furthermore, Arweave is built on a blockchain-like data structure called the Blockweave. As such, Arweave has much in common with other decentralized storage platforms like Filecoin and Sia, both of which also use cryptocurrencies to create marketplaces for users who want to buy and sell data storage services. Like these ambitious protocols, Arweave is seeking to disrupt a market dominated by existing storage giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. However, what sets Arweave apart from competitors is its commitment to permanently storing data through unique incentives built around its AR cryptocurrency. Arweave's design means that it should, in theory, enable people who store data to receive revenues, even after initial payments for its decentralized storage service are made. Furthermore, files stored on Arweave are accessible through traditional web browsers, meaning they don't require any special wallet or blockchain service. Other notable features in development include a voting mechanism that allows its users to moderate illicit content. Now that we understand what Arweave does, let's look at how Arweave works. Arweave is not exactly a blockchain. Instead of a chain of blocks that contains transactions and data, the typical design for most cryptocurrencies, Arweave stores its data in a graph of blocks. This means each block is linked to two earlier blocks in Arweave, forming a structure called a block weave. This is in contrast to Bitcoin, where blocks are linked in order, forming a chain. This working system requires two important features. 1. Proof of access consensus. Arweave's design also means that the way it checks the accuracy of transactions is different than most cryptocurrencies. For instance, where Bitcoin asks computers on its network to compete to solve a mathematical puzzle using a process called proof of work, Arweave uses a different mechanism called proof of access. In short, Arweave requires each computer taking part in the network to check that a new bundle of transactions also contains a randomly selected marker from an earlier bundle. If that marker is present, then the new transactions can be added to the network. However, the computer that adds a new bundle is given a reward in the form of AR cryptocurrency. To put it in a better context, proof of access helps ensure that computers on the Arweave network can verify that all new transactions are accurate and that old transactions haven't been tampered with. The second is content moderation. Another interesting feature of the Arweave network is the ability for anyone running the software to choose the type of data they wish to store. This process is known as content moderation in Arweave. Put simply, computers on the network can decide what types of content they want to host. Perhaps they want to only host audio files and not images. As new content is uploaded to the network, Arweave will ask each computer whether it will accept the data. Still, there are incentives for performing more intensive data storage, as users who do will be rewarded by a greater percentage of transaction fees. Which is only fair, looking at the work they would probably put in. Now let's round looking into the AR token. AR is the currency of the Arweave network. Users who wish to store data must buy AR to pay for distributed data storage, and computers on the network that provide storage services must accept payment in AR tokens. The number of AR tokens in circulation is limited to 66 million units. The web is overly reliant on centralized services like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, or Alibaba for storage. Then Arweave is a project that might interest you. As opposed to competitors such as Filecoin and Sia, Arweave is focused on permanent storage. This means the AR token may be of interest if you believe digital data requires storage forever, similar to a traditional museum or library. Let us know what you think about Arweave in the comments section. Also, don't forget to let us know what you would like us to discuss on this channel. Please note that this is not a financial advice and it's for educational purpose only. Guys, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.